everybody, how's it going? This is Jovenel. Today's mod is sponsored by Auxito. I believe I'm saying the name right. They sent me out high beam lights and reverse lights that they wanted me to view, so today I'm going to install it. I want to know what you guys think about the high beam lights and the reverse lights when I install them. So right now I'm about to show you guys what it looked like. So right off the bat, when you open it, it comes with all these manual. Follow him on all his media, because he does sell high quality high beam lights. Okay, so let's move that aside. And right off the bat, when you look at them, it's just straight high quality. So that's what I'm looking for in my car. I'm trying to make my car look real nice. So these are the fanless high beam lights. Easy plug and play. So let's see what it looks like when it's on the car. So first, what you're gonna want to do is right over here, you're just gonna want to twist this part off. Well, actually I disconnected it first. See which way twist is. The twist is going the left side, so these are what the high beam lights look now. And this is what it's gonna look like after. So let's plug this sucker in. Sorry you guys can't see the process because it's kind of dark in there. As you can see, I put the high beam lights in, so right now I'm just going to connect it. Quick plug and play. Alright, so it's plugged in now. So let's see what it looks like. See the difference. Oh wow. You can definitely see the difference. It really goes with the car, I'm not even lying. Here's the before. After. That looks fucking nice. Excuse my language. Alright, now let's work on the other one. Turn these high beams back off. I think you're gonna have to move this washer piece off in order to get to it, so let me grab a tool for that. So I grabbed me a flathead. What you're gonna want to do is just pop this up. And you popped it up. I believe all you have to do is just push it to the side, and it's right there. Okay, so the other side is installed now. So I'm going to put this back in its place, and then we're done. Looks like with both of them on. Yeah. So this is what the high beams look like. Both of them are done. Yes. It really definitely goes with the car. Real bright. I give Auxito a 10 out of 10. Yeah. Either 10 out of 10. I love these. Thank you, Auxito. I appreciate you giving me these headlights, man. Look at that. Alright, on to the next one. Let's see how these reverse lights look like after I install these. Nothing but high quality, and that's what I love. Alright. To be honest, you don't even have to take all of them off. All I did was took this bottom piece and the top part, and it's right over here. Plain and simple. First, let's take this piece off. Alright, there you have it. Go ahead and install it right back in this place. Plug it in. Now let's see how it looks like. Damn! Ooh, you can see the difference. Oh my god, look at the difference on that. I'm pretty sure it looks like this color because I got the tint, the reverse light tint modification that I did. But now that I have these HID lights in as my reverse light, look at that. I'm really impressed. Auxito, I give you a thumbs up, man. So now let's work up on the other side. Look at that. Love them. Thank you, Auxito. I give you a 20 out of 20. These are real nice, high quality. So if you guys like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. I do need to wash my car. It's cold in the New Jersey.
Lot of model.
So if you guys like my video, please comment, like, subscribe. I'm always trying to answer everybody's comments. Yeah, so this is Joe Vanell and I'm out. Peace.